I am Gohar and you are watching my channel Excel Maza. In this video I am going to tell you how to use advanced filter in MS Excel. In Microsoft Excel, how to use advanced filter. But before going to the subject, please subscribe to my channel Excel Maza. Now let's go to the topic. Okay, so this is my data sheet and this is my working sheet. I want to filter the data as per my sale, and the criteria is I want to filter the sale amount if the sale amount is greater than 15,000. This is my criteria. But before going to this, I am going to data and here the advanced filter. If I click there are three actions. Filter the list in the same place in the same data sheet. You can filter the data in the same place. You can also filter the data to another location, copy to another location, filter and copy to another location. You can also filter the data with unique records only. Now first of all, I am going to filter my data in the same list. Filter the same list in the same place. Okay, this is my list range. This is my list range, and the criteria is this: the sale field and greater than 15,000 amount is my criteria. I select this and now I am going to press the OK button. Okay, here you can see all the amounts which are greater than 15,000 has filtered in the same place. Now I want to clear the filter, then I will go to the data. Here is the clear button. Okay, the filter has cleared. Now I want the second option, the second action of the advanced filter. Again, advanced, my list range. Okay, and my criteria, the criteria is same here. Now I want to another location, copy to another location my data after the filtration. So I check on the second option button, copy to another location. Here I will select my location. This for example, this is my location. Just press OK. All the data has been filtered as per my criteria and copy to another location. Now I want to use the third action of the advanced filter, and the third action is unique record only. For unique record only, I am not setting my criteria because the unique record only is my criteria too, and I want the data to another location. Okay, I also change my list range. For example, here are the duplicate values: 10,000, 10,000, 16,000, 16,000. I will select the sale amount. Okay, and this is my location where I want to copy the data after filtration. Check in the checkbox for unique records only and press the OK button. Here you can see all the unique records, unique values has been filtered and placed to my location. I can take this data after filtration to another sheet. For example, this is the new sheet, and here I want the data after filtration in this sheet. So I select this sheet. This is my active sheet, and here I press the advanced button, and now copy to another location option button. List range is the same. This is my list range in the other sheet, and the criteria range I want to keep the same. Okay, this is my criteria range. Now I want this to copy to another location. This is my location in the sheet 1. Now just only press the OK button and you will see all the data as per my criteria has been shifted to another sheet. This is the beautiful tricks to use the advanced filter. I hope that you will also like this video, and if you like the video, please click on the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Excel Maza. Thank you very much for watching.